is lifted high. Angels join our worship as your glory fills the sky. This is the sound from heaven, songs that never end. Heart of heaven, voices to the King of